eyezu eyeza NDC miawe zolo ebusuya asemaba me wo ka say the government workers omo kire mu say omo ahwe omo phone so ahwe omo twen so mehu message bi a e kire say bibia ba beto mu nanso no ended 27th still they've not received that particular message on person we receiving no when say abayeduma for it started to moka from 23rd 24th 25th everybody to moka so as at enne Saturday 27th omo receive any message bia ama che say onya ba ko bia ba beto abon ten say e ka me say September pay dey ya to nsuom anya ade a ebeba wei ya ade a kire say busu akopio mo ntetan fi ne so a Ghana for di won komo say eh na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ade won tuya ya kana emusi obetuya sorry emusi obetuya emusi ontuya emusi obetuya emusi ontuya wei conversation ebusuya koso na mene makola market women's for no bia de nkomo busu omo say teachers nurses ni government workers omo ye adwuma ya ene 27 for mo pay mba yi omo mu bia 30 ka say omo dwe ho say na omo kire mo say we mu no government workers na de omo no mo pay because abanada na ono twa mu no ono no eto omo eye pay mu 25% ena omo say esua na omo pay yezu ena yezu so ba ye no say 25 no kra na do so to mo 10 na 10 no so kra no say be ye obetu yes kana mo no eno so ya asem na we na agrusi market for ne de omo say omo no de omo nti say odogo bi enu abe because omo kan ye ena omo nti na omo say ye tufu na wenti what ya say ye tufu no na wenti a ye so ye den o kwanti ade eno nti agrusi market for ne de omo say omo no they are not even worried about whatever is going on because they actually told you people say mistake ne de amo ye mami bi say ono ne ba ofre ne ba phone so no say adwoa ba go to ba no say pin no so kwa number 1 na again ne say you matima meto number 1 afedo say da mo bobo aba no na again ne celebrate no was say number 1 and win and number 8 na win na date now celebrating no dey share me to number 8 then mama say hey adwoa me say go to aba man number 1 to aba man number 8 there that day no dey no crampon one man be ndi as agra mama say do no no man dey ba ne bi ba ne government worker o na o say dey ba no endra ofene ba ne say ne pay na ba o man 100 bi na ofene na ba ne say ma ebo yentu aye ka o yentu aye ka na mama ne say eh o say den yentu amuka say na so mo yentu amuka 21st dey ba and 27 yentu amuka obua no say o pa ma yentu ameka share me bank account she nim emu ayi we kokokokoko ase aso dem ekura no they say account ni mo ye mo bo na ma me say na say abai na pay so na say na ma we nkosu na den na ekoyi no say me dem nim say controller tu kwan yo say controller o tu kwan yo say den yo ye nim so dem ma dey call US no UN meeting ni dey ye nim na we na busuya ma mi bia ono no wo kantamanto market obe frame and o say ono ne baba ako ono no kire say ono kra no timu say o free education bi first batch for yi na ono ne ba ne de na so odin o tu no for na wentie e ma ne ba no ekoye nyina bransem to baba no de ma yezu na ne ba ne wie school pa adwuma anye onya ene obi na hye bem ne bi ba ko ne hye no eno so pay ni fa controllers me no ka say eno so mbai na sister ba ko de o say o pese o send video mami na me bochire mo na munti asam na ebusuya o kan ye no na ekoti asam na o kan ne ba na afi ni yankasa ya ndey yeso ya kire ya adwo ebusuya ekoti asam a sister eye Angela edetuja
Ghana abai ejuma ifo nyina ayedin baby outside me say susu check it na ka bank wo me say September ide mo twi mu papa mo twi mo na mo ye hu se mu the next month ana ayet wa ye share ni mu share ni mu a enkosi age anything September mponi Mr. Aban ye be fa why controller for ye change why na mama ya check your balance san aden
Sister Angela say men kan kira wo say so hwe wo phone no so hwe wo phone no so na unti kunkron bia o say kunkron o say kunkron no na wo te a na wani age na wo body no mu aye wo de no o say kunkron no wonte and I'm Sister Angela na then na wo ka say na unti kunkron say adwuma na de adwuma wo ye de yeto ne ho ka wonye say de che no te hwe ye ka kire wo wuntie idi ya mi de ono no wait me adwuma 3 years so te ka 3 months o unnim won na je say asma Sister Angela de tu ya no busanya na meka wo Sister Angela na ka kire me o ka kire me say idi ya mi no ono no na mambo ni different because takashi wom na mse a common chiremu so say ebusuya eniama idi ya mi odi ye government workers no ai esewani ensa o ka kire esewani o ensa o ka kire ba ko sei na say ebusuya ukopie mu antintan fide no so de a aya wo sem papa say madam ba kura no o de make 300 cedi is it no so you obedi ni pay 22nd no wa mama o de misika mama me also the pay mbai the friend crown fa the friend on fa he is not answering his own calls all because of Ezu ba ko kan yo e na mo ye ni say but I say on the ebefa.
Yeah, guys, the NDC has just been exposed again. If you watch throughout social media and even under some of my comments, some of the NDC guys are saying that the salaries of YA/Zoom Lion workers' salaries have been increased to 1,200. It's a very big lie. It's a very big lie. So these guys, when are they going to stop their lies? Like, you lied your way into power. So do you think that you can rule Ghana with lies? Chale, these people, I'm just coming from Manasseh Azuri's page. And I have no reason to doubt him because he has been fighting for these Zoom Lion workers for their amount or fees that they pay them to be increased. Okay, so he's just saying right now that sweepers have not been increased. Cabinet is yet to decide on the deal. Disregard the false news. So you see, NDC, you guys are disgraceful.
Ebusuya, Sam George Kendi, Beneno Eya dream pa for the first time. Sam George Eya dream. Sam George say we must cleanse charlatans and money doublers from our media airwaves. Yaka say obi a charlatans omo twan to some special skills waiting there bibia boa and some money doublers for scabby scan sanko for no. Yes. You know, same way why Sam George, me know ya dream was say it me sanko for free media airwaves ne so because omama in them kwala na aba no sa fraud ne sa sakawane sa we no ahye omotremu yie pa because obi ti be say for 1,000 cedis by ma 50,000 cedis but akona ko wiane ma miss one dey akọ ne adada no all these people ye nema man kwala na aba ne hwe sa TV they don't even get anything from those staffs. So for the first time Sam George agree on this one. It is time I was say cleaning your media airwaves na sa nsɛmhunu we sa money doubling ne sa first cabbage scan sa na metimi abo am 2 million sa na ma we ni nyina no etimi yi sa charlatans ne sa money doublers ni nyina no efi media airwaves ntebusuya we nko adem ne Sam George adwen make sure say Sam George so ati say we dey na ya de mom no still DSTV ne de me ne no nya adwen on make sure say my data ne bo no ebe ko form ebusuya ha ye Promise the Blogger Studios.